Good afternoon, children. So we are learning exercise 4.2. D main question. D. So what it is? Find HCF and LCM of the following numbers. Find HCF and LCM for the following numbers. Using division method. Using division method. Okay. So find HCF and LCM for the following numbers by using division method. Okay. So first one is 16, 28 and 36. For finding the division method, for finding HCF and LCM by the method of division, we have to arrange the given numbers into increase order. So check these numbers are in increasing order or not. So 16, 28 and 36. So numbers are increasing order. So what I am finding here HCF. Okay. So this is first. So what are the first included of this one and this one by taking 16 and 28. So taking 16 as divider and 20 as divisible. So now check it. Okay, big now. So 16 ones are 16. Okay, by the division method. Division we can make like this only. Okay, 16 ones are 16. When subtracting it, we get 2 and subtracting 1, we will get 12 remainder. So for the second step, so what the remainder we got? So by that number we have to divide to before divide number. So before divide number that was 16. So divider it was 16. So now divides to 16 by 12. So it was remainder. Okay. So to 16 ones. 16 to 16. So 12 ones 2. So when subtracting it will get 4. Now we got 4 remainder. By the remainder we have to divide before divider. What was the before divider? That was 12. So divides to 12 by 4 ones. When dividing to 12 by 4 ones, 4 3 is 12. So it got remainder 0. We have to continue this one. So when it will get a remainder 0, we have to continue up. When it is getting 0. So another third number. Which is the third number? So remains it was remained 36. So 36 by 4 ones. 4 9s are 30. 0. So in both numbers, both the way we are getting. So here also we are getting just the remainder 0 and here also getting 0. So it means the HCF is the HCF of 16, 28 and 36. It is equal to. So I am writing here. Therefore, HCF of 16, 28 and 36 is equal to how much it is? 4. So answer is HCF equals to 4. HCF equals to 4. So now we have to find out the LCM by taking these numbers, given numbers, it is 16, 28 and 36. So by the divider same method. Okay, so 16 is a different number, 28 is different number and 36 is different number. So all three are different numbers. So this is even number. So it means even number we have to divide by 2 ones are. Okay. LCM. Okay. 16, 28 and 36. Okay. We have to divide by 2 ones because even number 2 8 is 16, 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2, 1 remainder 8 is 16. Okay. So this is also even number. We have to divide by 2 ones. 2 4 is 8, 2 7 is 14, 2 9 is 18. So this is even number. We have to divide by 2 ones. 2 2 is 4. It is not divided by 2 ones. You should keep 7 as it is. And 9 it is also odd number. We have to keep 9 as it is. So next, so it is 2. It is also divided by 2. 1 is 2. So it is not divided by 2 ones. Keep this 7 as it is and this 9 also as it is. Okay. So next, so this 9 is divided by 3 ones. 3 3 is 9. This is not divided. Keep 7 as it is. So it is divided by 3 ones. 3 ones 3. 7 is not divided. Keep as it is. So 7 ones 7. So we got the factors. What are the factors here? We got 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 7. So we have to multiply all these factors. So when multiplying, therefore LCM, it will get, okay, I am continuing. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. So we have to multiply all these divided numbers. Okay. So 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 3 is 48 into 3 7 is 21. When multiplying 48 into 21, it will get 2 8. 1 8 is 8, 1 4 is 4. 2 8 is 16, carry 1 2 4 is 8 1 9. So 8 10 to 0 carry 1 10. So it will get LCM 1008. Okay. So what was your LCM for this number? It was how much? 4 was the LCM and LCM is, therefore it is in rough space. Okay. Therefore LCM equals to 4 and LCM equals to 1008. This is answer. LCM is 4 and LCM is 1008. Okay, second one. So second one for homework. So now I am teaching third one because they are given only 2 numbers. So I am teaching third one. So that is 142 and 210. Okay. So first of all we have to find the HCF. So I am finding here HCF. So which is the lowest number? It is lowest number and it is highest number. Yes. So by this one to this one we have to divide. So taking it is a divisible. 210 divisible. Divider here 142. 142 ones are 142. So when subtracting 2 from 10 it will get 8. So here remains 0. When subtracting 4 from 10 it will get 6. Here 0. So by the remainder we have to divide 142 by the 68. Okay. So 68 ones are 68. 68 twos are 68 twos are 2 8 is 16. Carry 1. 2 6 is 12 1. 13. So 2s are. It is 136. When subtracting 6 from 2, 12, it will get 6. When subtracting 3 from 3, 0, 0. So now by the remainder 6 to 68, we have to divide. Okay. 6 ones are 6. 0 by 8. 6 ones are 6. 2. We have to continue it till getting 0 remainder. So by 2 ones are to 6. So it is also not getting 0. So we have to continue it. So 2 3s are 6. So it got 0. Okay. So therefore HCF is 2. Okay. So next LCM. So LCM of 142 and 210. 142 and 210. So both are even number. We have to divide by 2 ones are. 2 sevens are 14. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 fives are 10. So it is prime number. It not divided by any number. Okay. So 105 can divide by 3 ones are. So when keeping 71 as it is, we have to divide 1005 by 3 ones are. 3 2s are 9. 1 is remainder. 3 5s are 15. So 35 is. So 35. Last digit is 5. It can divide by 5 ones are. We have to divide 35 by 5 ones are. 5 7s are 35. So it is not dividing by any number. When keeping 71 as it is, so we have to continue it. So 7 can divide by 7 ones are 7. 71 keeping as it is. 71 ones are 71. So last both can get 1 1. So now we have to multiply or finding the LCM. We have multiplies to dividers. That is LCM equals to 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 71. 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. 37s are 3 7s are 21. 210 into 71. So when we are multiplying 210 into 71, so what it will get? 4 zeros are 0, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 7 zeros are 0, 7 minus 7, 7 2s are 14, 0, 1, 9, 4, 1. So it will get 1, 4, 9, 1, 0. It is LCM. So answer is HCF equals to 2 and LCM is equals to 40,910. Okay. So this method is called division method for finding the HCF and LCM. Okay, another two are there. So that is second one and fourth one. So second one and fourth one for homework. So second one is 20, 25, 20, 25 and 45. Third one, fourth one, 124, 340, 180. These two for homework. Okay. So next, E, F, G. These three are word problems. So if two numbers are 27 and 84, find HCF and LCM. When LCM is 756. Okay. So solving this problem, we have to know about the formula. That formula is LCM into HCF equals to A into B. So that is formula is LCM into HCF A into B. So LCM means LCM, HCF means HCF. A means A equals to first number, and B equals to second number. Okay, LCM means LCM, HCF means HCF, A means first number, B means second number. By taking this formula, we should solve the problems, that is E, F and G. Okay. So E problem. If two numbers are 27 and 84, two numbers are given here. So one is 27 and another is 84. Find the HCF. We have to find HCF. When LCM is 756. So two numbers are given. So in this question, what I have given here? We are given two numbers. One number is 27 and another number is 84. So what we have to find out? Find out the HCF. We have to find the HCF. Okay, LCM also given here. LCM how much it is? 756. In problem here given value of A it is 237 and value of B equals to 84. And what has given here? LCM given. In this question, LCM is given, that is 756. And we have to find out, that is HCF. Okay. So we know formula, that is LCM into HCF equal to A into B. LCM into HCF equals to A into B. A means first term, B means second term. We know that is LCM. LCM is 756. We don't know HCF. Keep HCF as it is. According to formula, here given LCM. LCM is 756. HCF is not given. So LCM is not given. So keep HCF as it is. So multiply also as it is. So equal as it is, equal as it is. Next, in formula, we are given A. We have to put the value of A. A it is 27. Okay. Next, in formula given multiple sign, we have to put multiple sign. So next, it is given value of B. B it is 84. 84 means 84. So what we are finding? We are finding the value of HCF. So when keeping HCF in your left side, So when sending the 756 to it from left to right, its sign will change. So what is sign? Its sign is multiple. So when changing the side, so its sign will be changed. Okay, 27 into 84 divided by, because it is multiple. So when we are sending the side of number, so its sign also will change from plus to minus, minus to plus, multiple to divide, and divide to multiple. Here multiple, so it will change into divide. 756. Okay. So this one also can divide by 4 ones, and this one also can divide by 4 ones, because last two digits. Okay, dividing 4 ones, this is also last two digits. Dividing 4 ones. I am dividing this one by 4 ones. 4 ones are 4. Here remains 3. 4 ones are 4. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. So here 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. So 189. So 189. It can divide by 9 ones are, because some of the digits are dividing by 9 ones are. 9 2s are 18, 9 ones are 9. So 9 2s are 18, 9 ones are 9. So 9 3s are 27. This is also dividing by 9 ones are, because some of the digits 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. It is. So it got 3 into 21 by 21. So 21 ones are 21. Okay. So I am continuing here. So it is HCF equals to 3 into 1. So HCF is 3 ones are. So its answer is HCF equals to 3. Okay, come to the second question. Second question is, if the product of two numbers is 215 and LCM is 45, find the HCF. F1. If the product of two numbers is 315 and LCM is 45, find HCM. So in question what has given here, the product of two numbers, and LCM is given. In this question here given product of two numbers, it means A into B equals to 315. So LCM is given here. LCM is 45. We have to find out the HCF. Okay. So in this question here given, we know that product of two numbers. What are the two numbers? A and B. Okay. A and we can get or we can take the A and B for two numbers. So here given product of two numbers. One number is A and another number is B. So product means we have to put the multiple sign, these two. So product of A and B will get how much? 315. The product of two numbers, it is 315. So and LCM also given. LCM how much it is given? 45. And we have to find out HCF. Okay. So we know that is formula. That is LCM into HCF equals to A into B. So we know LCM how much it is. LCM is 45. HCF we don't know. Keep HCF as it is according to formula. So LCM is 45. Multiple is there. Multiple. HCF is there. HCF we don't know. Equal to equal. We know value of A into B. So what is A into B? Here A into B is 350. 350. So we have to find out the HCF. Keep HCF in left side only. When keeping the left side, the HCF in left side and sending. So remains HCF find 315 in the side only. So which one we are changing the sign sides? We are changing the side of 45. It will from multiply to it will come to right side divide. Multiple as a divide. Okay. So how can you divide this one? Last two digits. Last digits are 5. You can divide by 5 on that. 5 9 is 45. 5 0 is 5. Taking two digits. 5 6 is 30. 1 minus 5 3 is 15. Okay, so it is 63 by 9. So this also can divide by 9 1 is 9, 9 7 is. Okay, so I am writing here. Therefore, HCF equal to 7. Answer is 7. Okay. Another G question is there. That is, if the product of two numbers is 896, LCM is 128. Find the HCF. Okay, this is also same as F1. So this one for homework. Okay, this exercise has completed today. We have to learn next chapter, that is fractions. G question for homework. So G question it is, if the product of two numbers, if the product of two numbers is 896 and LCM is 128. Find the LCM. Okay, so G question also like as a F1. Okay, so next class chapter 5, that is fraction.